Hey everyone, Alice here from Safi Financial Network. Today is March 25, 2023. Here is NVIDIA. Everyone was talking about this. NVIDIA AI technology had a parabolic move to the upside. Look at the marvelous move since October low, and right now we are at March top. And I believe NVIDIA is in topping formation, folks. So it has a marvelous move to the upside. It is overstretched, overbought. Anyway, if you want to slice it and dice it, this stock has a fantastic move to the upside. And right now, I'm looking for kind of like a pullback or corrective move. And how we can expect a short setup or probably the next buying opportunity is coming with this stock because I believe this is very, very valuable stock. Right now it has its move, and right now we need to look at the pullback or probably a corrective move to the downside for another next rally. Right now it is intermediate top, and I should say multi-month top is happening, is forming right now for NVIDIA, and we will get back to this. Here is the stochastic momentum. So momentum wise in monthly chart, we are getting to overbought condition, which is kind of like a warning signal. Also, the other indicators are getting back to the, like MACD is getting back to the buy signal, but again, look at the price. So when we get buy signal from MACD, we already had moved, like it's been 6 months or so, we had this move. So it's not the good signal for us. And also RSI doesn't have enough momentum, 61% momentum for the monthly. If we get above, like in overbought condition, so that's going to be a decent momentum. So that's why I call this as like a dead cat bounce within this crash. And I just want to show you something interesting. Everyone is looking for COVID crash, or they call it as a crash or something like that. So this is COVID crash, guys. If you can't believe me, I'm just reading for you. This is February 2020, and this is March bottom 2020. So if you call these two candles crash, and even this is 2018, like a bear market or corrective move to the downside, what do you call this? So if you call this crash, so what do you call this? This is a crash. And right now we are in a relief rally or dead cat bounce or kind of like a rebalancing rally for NVIDIA. Here is the Fibonacci. I just put two levels of Fibonacci here. One is from the very, very bottom here, around $4 when it was IPO released to the market. And here's 2021 top. So if you just put this low, this top, we'll see here, this is 23% Fibonacci. And here is another bottom. So this is a significant bottom here, another one going there. Again, 23% is coming because this is monthly chart, so we have this alignment. So this one is coming back down here. And I just want to show you another thing, pretty interesting. If you just have another Fibonacci retracement from this top to this low, here is 69% to 78% area that is coming along. So three different levels from three different perspectives coming along together with this nice price action. So for those ones who don't like Fibonacci, that's okay. I'm gonna delete this, but look at that. So this is a bottoming formation, fails with this wide range varying monthly chart. Right now, we didn't have a severe reaction to this monthly chart. We are getting back up to this area. And this is the retracement back into this final candle top. So this is a topping formation. We got this dark cloud confirmation. So this is a shadow which is breaking down through to the downside with this candle. And here is the candle retracing back up, sharp sell-off after that. So there are lots of sellers here in this area, 250 to 270. So based on the monthly chart, we should see sellers are coming back and smash this one down significantly. I mean significantly, I'm not looking for kind of like a corrective move to here or here, probably to here. So that's going to be worst case scenario. So NVIDIA take out this pivotal point, going back down to top of the previous top actually in 2018, which is kind of like a possible scenario. Everything is possible, but it is low possibility, I should say, low probability for today's market. But who knows? Probably something happened with the company, with the industry, and it comes down to this level. I'm looking for kind of like this area. So 172 to 180, which is kind of like a previous breakout level, that is not tested yet. So if we see something like this going down to test this breakout level within this wide range bar, specifically 160 area, which is kind of like a middle of this wide range bar, when it breaks above this pivotal point, that is very, very significant buying opportunity, I should say. So anything around 173, 180, that's going to be a good level for NVIDIA. All right. So this is the monthly chart. Weekly chart here is showing me again the top information. If we just zoom in here, right now we are overstretched. Look at the MACD. Very, very clear that we are significantly top. The last time we saw RSI in overbought condition, even with this bullish momentum, it was here. Look at the MACD, look at the stochastic, and all three indicators are showing the top information. And if you come along with this price action, so this is a first reaction to the downside, reversing back up, going back to this dark cloud candle, rejecting down significantly, back test, middle of this wide range bar to this kind of like a bull trap, rejecting down all the way to here to lower low. So right now we are there. So this is kind of like a V-shaped recovery, which is a very, very nice reverse head and shoulder, by the way. Goes back to this weekly area. This is a demand area. So it just stop hunting candle going back up and retracing back up. So this is a buying signal here. If you didn't get this one, that was a nice buying signal here. Just getting back to this pivotal point. Two shadows here. Nice dragonfly doji confirming this hammer. Nice sharp upside gap down here. So all in all, this pattern has been formed, completed, and done. Right now, we are getting back to the short side, and I believe this is the ideal scenario for me. If NVIDIA goes back here, I would be all in, just because here's the previous top, 72.27, fantastic buying opportunity. But I'm not sure if it gets there, right? So based on my analysis, fundamental analysis, fair value for NVIDIA is somewhere around 200 to 220. So this is the area. So if it goes below this, by simply say if it goes below 200, I would buy it because it is cheap. It is less than my fair value, as should I say. But I'm looking for technical analysis to buy a stock, to be honest, compared to a fundamental one. Yeah, I'm choosing the fundamental one. I'm not going with like a very, very a lousy stock or something like that. I'm just looking for good names, good companies, because I'm not looking for a stock, I'm looking for companies. But for the getting into this stock, I'm looking for only technical analysis. And right now we are getting back, if we get back around 175, I should say, back test this this pivotal point with this wide range bar, 192 to 170. So that's going to be a good buying opportunity for me, at least here. So let me just put this one here, right around there. So that's going to be my first decent buying opportunity, I should say. And if it goes down below, the next level I'm going to buy here is 115 to 137. And the ultimate level is here. So I'm not going to put like all my buy orders here. I'm going to just diversify my buy orders around this area. But this is going to be very, very nice buying opportunity, folks, because this name is amazing. There are lots of companies tying to NVIDIA for their chips. Semiconductor industry is going to be the leading industry, and NVIDIA is going to be one of the best. So this stock is overstretched, overbought, and right now, if you want to go with put option, I have no problem, but don't short it, guys, because this has a very, very nice momentum. Look at the candles. So one after each other, and these are weekly candles, one after each other going up to the roof. So it's ripping up to the roof, Don't short it because you're gonna just blow up your account, but go with put option. I have no problem going with put option, to be honest. Daily chart shows me kind of like a topping formation of it. So let's go to the daily chart. Here is the pivotal point, important pivotal point. We are just got back again two different candles, chart time frame, sorry, showing me very nice selling signal. First weekly and then daily. And here is the nice divergence here. Look at the MACD here top, MACD here top. Look at the price. Price is sloping up. And also you can see that in RSI as well. So this high is kind of a slightly lower than this. And obviously price is way higher. And also stochastic as well. Look at the stochastic momentum is down. So we are due for correction and this correction is coming. And look at the type of the candles. This one doesn't have any momentum, to be honest. It's just going up. Tons of dojis here, lower shadows, higher shadows. So this is a topping formation. And if you want to go with a very, I should say, aggressive shorting opportunity, you can place your short, put your stop loss here. I would rather put my stop loss here on the top of this. But if you're going to go aggressive, put your stop loss here. Just I would put my stop loss here. The first target would be around a 240, which is coming to this wide range bar, breaking above this pivotal point. The next one is going to be this gap. So this gap needs to be filled, 210, which is coming to my fair value analysis. So this green line is my fair value analysis. Above this is going to be expensive, below this is going to be cheap. So my buying opportunity is going to be here, somewhere around here. That's going to be a fantastic buying opportunity. Back test to this neckline, and this is going to be one of the best buying opportunity. If it goes with weekly and daily at the same time, to be honest, I would be kind of like a 60%, 50% in to this position. So we will see how it goes. I would love this stock if it gets there. So keep an eye on this. We will see how it goes. But NVIDIA, I just signaling the top information is there. It's just a matter of time, nothing else. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye bye.